Hey guys, I am gonna show you today how to unlock a locker lock. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, so just a second. Okay, so let's put that on to 0. So my number is 4224. Okay, so we start in the 0, of course, and then we put it all the way around one time, and also all the way around 2 times. And then the next time we turn it around, we stop at 4. And then we go the other way, we turn to the left. The next number is 22, but this time we're going to pass 22. But the next time we get to 22, we are going to stop there. Then we turn all the way back to 4. And then it's unlocked. Also, this also works if you're doing it like, if you're not doing it exact, in your locker, you only have like 3 minutes to get to your locker into your classrooms in middle school. You don't have to do it exact. I mean, I can do it pretty fast. I mean, I'm starting right now. And then I got it unlocked. It only takes about 10 seconds to do it, really. But anyway.